to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to let you know how will be the year 2025 for student in the year 2025. Anyhow, 2025 will be a great year for the people who are learning something, who are into a research activity, and this is a very good year for all the students. Few signs are blessed during this time and few signs need to be conscious. So in this video I'm going to discuss in brief about each sign, what will this year good for them and what all things they need to take care in the year 2025 to get the success. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. Let us start with the first sign, that is Aries. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the ascendant. If Aries is your moon sign and the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. So Aries people, Aries students are going to see a success in the year 2025. Till March, this is a very good time. If you are appearing in any competitive examination, then you are going to see the success. Students who are into the research work, then this is a very perfect time. Then this particular year is a very good year for them. If you are looking for the job or the internship, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get the job and the internship easily. This is a good time. Only few things that you need to take care of in the year 2025 is that try to be more focused, try not to be multitasking, and try to avoid taking any decision, any fast decision related to your career. To enhance your luck in year 2025, studies wise, you should chant Hanuman Chalisa and try to keep a red color hanky whenever you are appearing in any Taurus, 2025 will be an average year for you studies wise. It seems like that if you are looking to get admission in any specific college, then the luck will be your side. You will be able to get the college as per your choice. But this year will not be so good. Concentration wise, focus wise, maybe because of the wrong friendship, your mind will be diverted, or maybe because of the overconfidence. So these all things you need to be conscious with. Otherwise, if you are looking for a job or an internship this particular year, then this is a great year for you. If you are planning to go to abroad for the higher studies, then also this will be a great year for you. Luck will be your side. To enhance your luck studies wise, this particular year you have to offer water to sun daily and start waking up early now. If your moon sign is Gemini or your ascendant is Gemini, then this particular prediction is for you. 2025 will be a perfect year for you studies wise. There is a high possibility. If you are appearing in any competitive examination, you will be going to get success. If you are looking for the foreign settlement or you are looking for going to a foreign country for the higher studies, then this is a perfect year to go ahead with. This is a good year if you are looking for a job or you want that is your first job, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to attract it easily. Just you have to work with the integrity, put your hard work. This year you need to be conscious with a friendship. Maybe one of your friend can distrust you. That part you need to be conscious and try to focus, concentrate, and avoid being multitasker during this time. To enhance your luck career-wise and studies-wise, you should chant or listen to Ganesh Atharvashish Path daily. It will help you a lot. Anyhow, overall 2025 will be a good year for the students. Cancer. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Cancer, then this particular prediction is for you. Till April, you are going to face a problem like focus, concentration, and you are going to face a problem related to the studies. But after April, things will start improving. If you are appearing in any competitive examination, then there is a high possibility you will be able to clear it. If you are looking for the foreign settlement, then this is a great year to go ahead with. So things will start improving in your life after April. Try to few things that you need to take care of. That try to stick, be in discipline. Do exercise daily, do meditation, and offer water to Shiva daily. And try to chant Shiv for 12 minutes daily. You have to close your eyes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to enhance your luck studies wise. Leo. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Leo, then this particular prediction is for you. 2025 will be a perfect year for you studies wise. you are going to see an improvement. If you are if you are appearing in any competitive examination before September, then there very high possibility you will be able to clear it. If you are looking for a job or any type of internship, then also this is a perfect year. If you are looking for a foreign settlement or you want to go for the higher studies, then also this is a perfect year for you. Leo people, this is a good year studies wise. Try to few things that you need to take care of, that avoid overconfidence, laziness, do exercise daily and be in discipline. Start writing down your goals. Against it, write down your action and stick to it. To enhance your luck studies wise and to get the success, you should daily offer water to sun and chant mantra Om Suryaya Namah. It will help you. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Virgo, then this is a perfect year for you studies wise. You are going to see that if you are looking for a job, then this is a good year. If you are appearing in any competitive examination before September, then this is a good year. Till June, there is a very high on confidence, but make sure that you are not overconfident. Try to focus and concentrate. This is a year where you may feel like more isolated. But when you are isolated, it's a good time for the self-analysis. Try to focus on yourself. Luck will be your side studies wise. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck in 2025 studies wise, you should offer water to Shiva daily, and if possible, try to offer Durva to Lord Ganesha. It will help you out to enhance your focus. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Libra, then 2025 is a good year. If you are looking to appear in any competitive examination or you want to go ahead in a foreign country for your higher studies, then this is a good time. But this is a year where you will be more frustrated, anger, isolation, trust issues with your friends and relatives, and you may feel like more alone and loneliness. Otherwise, this will be an average year for you studies wise. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck studies wise, you should try to chant Shiv. You have to close your eyes, put a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to increase your focus and will help you out to enhance your luck studies wise also. If your moon sign or the ascendant in Scorpio, then this 2025 year studies wise will be an average year. If you are appearing in any competitive examination, then this is a good year, but you will be more confused, more emotional, problem related to the focus and concentration. Maybe the politics in the office or maybe the politics among the friends or in the family members may disturb you. But if you are planning to go to abroad for the higher studies, then this is a good year to go ahead with. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges studies wise, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily. It will help you. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Sagittarius, then this particular prediction is for you. 2025 will be an average year for you. First, you need to take care of your health during this time, because there is a high possibility during your examination you may stuck with your health. This will be an average year, being you will be more confused, focus related problem, concentration related problem, and maybe you become more multitasker during this time. If you are appearing in any examination after August, then there is a high possibility you will be able to clear it. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck studies wise in the year 2025, you should chant Shiv. You have to close your eyes and keep a timer for 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. This will help you out, enhance your luck, because this year doesn't seem like a very good year for you. Capricorn. If your moon sign or the ascendant is Capricorn, then 2025 is a great year for you studies wise. You are going to see a lot of improvement focus wise, concentration wise. It seems like that from past few years you were facing problem focus wise. You are not getting the results of your hard work. But 2025 is a year where you will be started getting the results of your hard work. If you are planning to go for higher studies in any foreign country, then this is a good year. If you are looking for a job, then also this is a good year. If you are in any research related work, then this is a perfect year for you. You are going to see overall your quality of life will improve, your focus will improve, and things will start moving in your favor. Few things that you need to take care of: try to be more sattvic, avoid eating non-veg. Try to focus more on your studies, put more hard work, because right now the luck will be your side. If you are going to put more hard work, you will see results will be in your favor. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges this year, you should chant mantra Om Sham Shanichwaraya Namah daily after the sunset. If your moon sign or the Lagna is Aquarius, then this particular prediction is for you. 2025 is a good year for you studies wise. If you're planning to go abroad for the higher studies, then this is a good year. If you're appearing in any competitive examination, then also this is a good year. If you're looking for a job, then this is a perfect year for you. You will be able to get easily. You will be able to get job easily. Luck will be your side. Few things that you need to take care of that. Be conscious with your enemies, overconfidence, and try to focus more. Try to do more hard work in your studies. Luck will be your side, but anyhow, being you are ruled by the planet Shani, so make sure that you are not lazy during this time, and try to put more hard work because results will be in your favor. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges studies wise in the year 2025, you should chant Shiv. You have to close your eyes, keep a timer for 12 minutes, and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. If your moon sign or the Lagna is Pisces, then this particular prediction is for you. 2025 is a good year for you if you are looking for the higher studies and you want to settle down in any foreign country. If you are looking for a job, then also this is a good time, but try to focus on your career. Try to focus on your studies, because it seems like that between April to May, you will be going to face problem related to the focus and concentration. Try to channelize your energies in the right direction, but overall it seems like a good year for you. To enhance your luck in the year 2025, you should chant Shiv. You have to close your eyes, keep a timer for 12 minutes, and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to enhance your luck.